Welcome once again, and it feels so good to be back on the screen one more time. And this time we are going to prepare for the new week, which is going to start in about 24 hours from now. So we're going to look at the market and also see what we should keep our eyes on, the trade coming from the vision to begin the week. And before I do that, it's been 2 weeks since we've started calling trades live on YouTube and also from the Telegram channel. So I am going to say that if you are yet to subscribe, you need to subscribe to our channel. You need to like our videos. You need to drop a comment and support the growth of this channel so it can also benefit everyone, right? So the past few weeks we've called out a couple of trades which have played out. All the trades, all the technicals we've broken down, we've given out, have done so well, and we are looking towards having the right moves also to begin the new trading week. And like I've always said as well, every trade we call out is all from an educational point of view, right? I know some of you are looking to take this trade, so if you are going to be taking this trade, you need to strictly go by your rules of engagement. You need to use your proper risk management system as well. That is very important. So let's quickly go on to the MT4 and see what we have on the watch list to begin the week. Okay, so here we have this is the MT4 screen, and on the screen here we have pound USD. We have GU pound USD on the screen, and GU, this is the trade we are looking at to begin the week, to begin the trading week. This trade looked very interesting, a lot of opportunities, a lot of possibility on this trade. So I'm going to break down this trade and I'm going to look at every possible side of this trade, right? What we should look at, what we should consider, and also the right key levels to watch out for in this market. So like I've always done with you guys, the first thing to always do every single time is to look at your high time frame. You need to know your position from the high time frame. So on the high time frame, what do we have? This is the daily time frame here, and on the daily time frame you can see what we have here. This looks like there is a possibility for long-term shorts, right? This is the daily move right here. So from what price has done on the daily time frame, it simply looks like there is a lot of possibilities to the downside, like for the long term. It looks like long-term shorts on the daily time frame. However, when you look at the H4 and the H1, price is giving us something really interesting. When you break it down to the H4, what do we have? The H4 also looks really good, and in this case we have a very good bullish trend. So this has been a bullish trend on the 4-hour chart, and this bullish trend, you would see it very easy. We have the highs and lows this way, and the key levels from the H4. These are the key levels on the H4 trend. We have this right here, and also we have one horizontal line right here, somewhere around here. So these are really the key levels on the 4-hour time frame. Looking at the current price of the market, these are the two important key levels on the H4. But I'm really interested in the H1 time frame. The H1 also is doing something really interesting, because the H1 here has been a bullish trend as well. Price has transitioned bullish from the H1 trend. So this here is the H1 trend, and let's go on the H1 chart to see how that is setting up. So this is the H1 charts right here. So how do we see this? This looks really clean on the H1 chart. This has been a very clean bullish trend. So this trend has been bullish for quite some time. And from what we see here, we have something really interesting going on in this market. And the first thing you would notice in this case is price is testing a key level from the H1 trend. This is a key level looking at the H1 trend. That is a key level looking at the H1 trend, because on the H1 trend, price created a new high. So looking at this new high, price gave us a very good double top confirmation, and then we have all these downside move right here. However, you need to keep in mind this has remained a bullish trend. This trend has been bullish ever since, so we have this bullish trend in play as well. So the key level which is being tested is a defining level. This is a defining level, which means if price is going to break this level, it simply tells us a potential change of trend. However, if price is going to hold this level, we should know that price is setting up for some continuation moves to the top side. So another thing you can also watch out for is what price is doing looking at your fibs. When you run your fibs on this move, you can see price is testing a very important fib level. The fib level here, which is being tested, you can see the 100 and the 886 are very important key level when you run your fibs. 886 has been broken, you can see, and price is in the range of 886 and 100. So these are very important key levels on the fib ratios. And now one other thing you would as well notice is the 382, which has been triggered. So the 382 here has been triggered, and this is a very good confirmation for a bullish harmonic pattern. So this is a bullish harmonic pattern right here. 382 has been tested, and likewise we have the 886, which has been triggered, right? We have this. So looking at this here, we have price in the price reversal zone. So this 886 to 100 is the price reversal zone. So all this is simply telling us that there is possibility to continue to the top side. So this looks really interesting for some bullish continuation to begin the week. So the fibs confirmation looks really interesting. Likewise, the raw price action confirmation as well looks really interesting. The price action is simply the naked price movement I analyzed before I throw in the fibs and the harmonics, right? Everything else is just an extra confirmation. Looking at this here, you can see key level has been tested multiple times. This is a key level right here, which has been tested multiple times. And also we would like to see how price is going to hold it right here. So that key level here has been tested multiple times. You can see we have retest, 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 retest. All of these, we have multiple retests all across. Multiple retests all across this line here. And right now, price is testing the same level once again. So this level here, for as long as it does not break, it signifies a possible continuation to begin the week. We have a possible continuation on this market to begin the week. And the TP levels on this trade, the TP levels I would really consider would be these levels here. This here is going to be my first TP. So first TP is right here, and my second TP would be the next one right here. So TP1 is right here, and TP2 is based on this level here. So you would also notice this level lines perfectly with this one right here. So these are good places you may have your TPs in this market. So let's see how many pips we have in this case. TP1 in this case we have about 80 pips, and TP2 right here we have about 130 pips, 130 pips. And keep in mind there is possibility for a TP3, and the TP3 would be all the way to the next high. So TP1, TP2, TP3 to the next high, which is the ultimate high right here. So these are the possible target levels in this market, and let's see how many pips we have on TP3. So to TP3 here we have well over 200 pips. So this is very good. This has very good risk to reward as well. So this opportunity you need to watch out, and like I've always told you, for as long as my entry level does not break, this remains a very, very good trade. So this here is my entry level. The zone here is my entry level. For as long as this zone does not break, I'm simply looking for entry confirmation inside of the zone and pick my trade. So this zone confirms my entry. So if I have my entry confirmations, my rules of engagement printed inside of this zone, I am good to go. So this is simply what I'm looking for to on pound USD. This trade look really interesting. So let's keep our eyes open. And this is the one trade I'll be looking at to begin the week. And also hopefully towards the middle of the week, we can have one other trade as well. So I always told you guys that risk management is very important in trading. No matter how good your system is, you need to always go by a very strict risk management system. And if you are yet to have a better understanding, a thorough understanding of risk management and discipline in the Forex market, you need to really look into that. And in view of this, I released a book recently on risk management and trader psychology with discipline. So you may check out the link in the video description to get a copy of that book, which I really suggest you do, because there is a lot of powerful information in that book that is going to really help you understand a lot about risk management, trading psychology, trader discipline, and a lot more. So the link to the book would be in the video description. And also, if you are yet to invest in yourself when it comes to the Forex market, you need to consider the Blue Vision Trading Mentorship. And then you can also check out our website or get in touch with me directly on the Telegram channel. And then we can have a talk on how to work together. So that'll be everything on this video. Drop your likes, drop your comments. I'm going to engage a lot on the YouTube comments. So drop your comments, any questions you may have. You may drop your comment in the YouTube videos, and then I'll get in touch with you as well. That'll be all for now, and I'll see you again on the next video.